In this video, I'll guide you through how to center text in the middle of the page in Microsoft Word. Whether you're preparing a cover page, a title page, or simply want to give your document a polished look, centering text both horizontally and vertically can make a significant difference. Let's dive into this simple process and make your document stand out. First, let's start by centering your text horizontally. This is the most common type of alignment you might be familiar with. Begin by selecting the text you want to center. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over the text. Or if you want to center all the text on your page, you can use the shortcut Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on Mac to select everything. Once your text is selected, navigate to the Home tab on the ribbon at the top of your screen. Here, you'll find the center icon, which looks like a series of centered lines. Click on this icon, and just like that, your text is centered horizontally on the page. Alternatively, if you're a fan of keyboard shortcuts, you can achieve the same result by pressing Ctrl+E on Windows or Command+E on Mac. This is a quick and efficient way to ensure your text is perfectly centered without having to navigate through menus. Now, let's move on to centering your text vertically, which is a bit less intuitive, but equally important for a balanced page layout. To begin, make sure you are in the Layout tab on the ribbon. This tab is where you can find all the options related to page formatting. Once you're there, look for a small arrow in the bottom right corner of the Page Setup group. This arrow opens up more detailed settings for your page layout. Click on it to bring up the Page Setup dialog box. In this dialog box, you'll see multiple tabs at the top. Click on the Layout tab if it's not already selected. Here, you'll find a section labeled Vertical Alignment. This is where you can adjust how your text is aligned vertically on the page. By default, this is usually set to top, but you'll want to change it to center to achieve the effect we're going for. Simply click on the drop-down menu and select Center. Once you've made this adjustment, click OK to apply the changes. Your text should now be perfectly centered both horizontally and vertically on the page. And there you have it. You've successfully centered your text in the middle of the page using Microsoft Word. This technique is not only useful for creating professional-looking documents, but also for ensuring that your content is presented in the most visually appealing way. Remember, the key to mastering Word is exploring all the options it offers, and with these steps, you're well on your way to becoming a Word pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on Microsoft Word and other software. Thank you for watching, and happy editing!